Want to make sure your brand looks sharp and consistent across all your Aisensy communications? Let's dive into how to grab that brand image URL so your logo shines every time. First things first, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main navigation menu where all the magic happens. Now, find the settings option in the navigation menu. It's usually at the bottom. Give it a click. This is where we'll customize your brand's appearance. Inside the settings, look for the profile section. It will probably be the first option displayed. This is where you can manage your business information. Alright, see your brand logo. Right-click directly on that image. A context menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, select Copy Image Address or Copy Image URL. Depending on your browser, this copies the direct link to your logo's file. Now, paste that URL into any field within Aisensy. It asks for a brand image URL. This ensures your logo appears correctly in all your messages and integrations. It's that simple. Keep your branding sharp and professional with Aisensy.